Hello everybody, hope you all are doing well. Earlier, say in 70s, if we ask you the basic necessities of life, you would probably say roti, kapda or makan. But what if we ask you this question today? Will your answer be same? No. It will be roti, kapda, makan, Wi-Fi, Google, smartphone and even 2 GB data. Now this is because we are continuously on gadgets. Now think of a situation where you forget your phone at home. I'm sure just the thought of forgetting your phone at home makes you shiver. Or let's say you don't have internet access for a week. Hold on, can you even think of a week without internet? No ways. Now all these things mean that the world is now becoming tech savvy. Then why not turn it into a career? But with thousands of career options available, how will you choose the right one? Relax. We have got you covered. Keep watching this video to know the 7 best highly paying tech jobs of this year and beyond, in which you can think of making a future-proof career. So, let's start with number 7. On number 7, we have digital marketing managers. Now, we most of the time are on our mobile phones. We can't even think of a future without it. Now, since the advent of the internet and the increased use of mobile phones, marketing has seen massive changes. Digital marketing has almost replaced traditional marketing, hence, the demand is likely to grow for digital marketing managers because they are responsible for developing and implementing strategies that promote a company or brand products through YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and all other means. Now, I'm sure you might be thinking about the pay scale. Then, let us tell you that this career path will definitely fatten your wallet because the average salary of digital marketing managers, according to Glassdoor, is more than 8 lakh rupees per annum in India. For more insights on digital marketing, do watch out our video on what is digital marketing. For that, the link is given in the description. Okay, now moving up on our list, we have cyber security specialist. Same as a watchman or guard protects your home from theft, cybersecurity safeguards big data in the computer. It is the protection of internet connected systems such as hardware, software, and data from cyber threats. Because data breaches increase each year, it's no wonder the demand for cybersecurity professionals is at an all-time high. Over the past year, the demand for cybersecurity professionals has increased by 60%. Actually, cybersecurity specialists are responsible for developing plans to safeguard computer files, encrypting data transmissions, and erecting firewalls and implementing password authentication. The yearly salary of cybersecurity specialist is around rupees 8 lakh in India as per the Glassdoor. You can also check out our video on what is cybersecurity to gain deeper insights into this field. Next on our list, we have full stack developer. As technology is rapidly expanding and evolving, many companies are looking for talented developers who can understand and work on both the front and back end to create a functional end product with minimum input or support. And this is the reason there is high demand for full stack developers, as he is the one who can develop both client and server software. In simple words, he is the one who can handle the backend and front-end processes at the same time. The average salary of full stack developer according to Indeed is rupees 8,98,000 in India. So if you are the one who can handle the backend and front-end processes at the same time, this can be the perfect career for you. Now on number 4, we have the cloud architect. Cloud computing is gaining ground in the digital and business world. It gives you the ability to remotely work on and transform data. For example, coding an application remotely. Now, to oversee a company's cloud computing system, we need cloud architects. A cloud architect designs, develops, implements, and maintains a company's cloud computing strategy. He will be responsible for converting the technical needs of cloud-based project into the architecture and design that will guide the final product. The average salary of a cloud architect is around rupees 15 lakh in India as per the Glassdoor and Indeed. For more details about cloud computing, you can check out our next video on what is cloud computing. Next on our list is AI engineer. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence process by machines, especially by computer systems. Nowadays, machines are taking up all the human tasks one by one. The demand for AI has been growing rapidly as more and more industries are adopting it and developing their products and services accordingly. Ultimately, it's rising the demand for AI engineers. Now, AI engineers facilitates the creation of a next generation workplace that thrives on seamless collaboration between system and humans. When it comes to pay, the average salary of AI engineer is over 21 lakh in India. So, if you are fascinated by computer science and looking to rack it in, then this could be the gig for you. At number 2, we have the DevOps engineer. Now, DevOps is a combination of software developers and operations. It is the method of managing the entire product lifecycle by a single team. Here, DevOps engineer will manage the operations of software development. They may take on different roles as they help colleagues design, develop, test, and even release software to consumers. The career outlook of DevOps engineer is fab because according to Glassdoor, the average salary of a DevOps engineer is around 20 lakh in India. The future of IT companies is now dependent on the DevOps approach, making DevOps engineer the most demanding job. Now, at number 1, we have the data scientist. A few years ago, who would have thought that a data scientist would take the number 1 spot on the top 7 fastest growing tech careers list, right? Now, we are in a world that has become data driven. Everyone today is generating and consuming enormous amount of data in different forms. But only data is not going to help business. It should be intelligent. So, this is the reason why there is high demand for data scientists because they basically make raw data intelligent and insightful by using concepts of machine learning and deep learning. So, if you are ready to lean in big data, then shoot to become a data scientist. You have to be business minded and obsessively into your job to climb all the way to the top because data scientists help businesses to make smarter decisions. But once there, it will put you ahead of the pack. The average salary of data scientist is whopping rupees 25 lakh in India, making it the highest paying job role. If you are still confused about the job role of data scientist, do watch out our video on what is data science, for which the link is given in the description. Now, you are a little worried about how to start. Then do not worry anymore, because Fingertips offers various upskill programs curated to be your stepping stone in your career path. For more details, do explore our website www.fingertips.co.in. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this in the future, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Till then, happy learning!